Ever stared at your Airwallex balance and wondered, okay, great, I've got the money here, but how do I actually use it? You're not alone. Airwallex is fantastic for international transactions, but navigating the transfer process can feel a bit like deciphering a secret code. So, let's crack that code together. If you're running a global business, managing international payments, or simply receiving funds from overseas, Airwallex is likely a key tool in your arsenal. But just having the money land in your Airwallex account isn't the finish line. You need to get it where it needs to go, whether that's your local bank account, a supplier, or another business partner. Think about it. You've just closed a deal with a client in Europe, the funds have arrived, and now you need to pay your local team or reinvest in your marketing. You don't want delays, you don't want hidden fees, and you definitely don't want a headache. That's where understanding the transfer process becomes crucial. Alright, let's dive into the practical steps. First, log into your Airwallex account. You'll be greeted by your dashboard, showcasing your various currency balances. Now, locate the Transfer or Send button. It's usually prominently displayed. Clicking this button will open up a new window or section where you'll begin the transfer process. You'll need to select the currency you want to send from. If you're dealing with multiple currencies, make sure you choose the correct one. Next, you'll need to specify where you want to send the money. This is where you'll add your recipient details. Airwallex allows you to send money to your own bank accounts, other Airwallex accounts, and external bank accounts worldwide. If you're sending to a new recipient, you'll need to add their bank details, including their account number, bank name, and SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers. Double-check these details. An error here can lead to delays or even lost funds. Accuracy is paramount. Once you've entered the recipient details, you'll need to specify the amount you want to send. Airwallex will typically show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees up front. Pay close attention to these figures. Compare the exchange rate with market rates to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Now, here's a crucial point: transfer speed. Airwallex offers various transfer speeds, depending on your needs. Standard transfers are usually the most cost-effective, but they might take a few business days. If you need the funds to arrive quickly, you can opt for a faster transfer, but this will usually incur a higher fee. Consider your urgency and budget when choosing a transfer speed. Before finalizing the transfer, Airwallex will provide you with a summary of all the details, including the recipient details, the amount, the exchange rate, and the fees. Take one last look to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. After confirming, you'll likely receive a transaction confirmation and a reference number. Keep this information handy in case you need to track the transfer. One more thing, Airwallex also offers batch payments. If you need to send multiple payments to different recipients simultaneously, this feature can save you a lot of time and effort. It's particularly useful for businesses that need to pay numerous suppliers or employees regularly. Remember, Airwallex is designed to simplify international finance. By understanding the transfer process, you can leverage its full potential and streamline your global financial operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.